Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For this video, I'm going to teach you on how to do a live stream using your phones without having 1,000 subscribers. First thing to do is to visit Google Chrome. In this website, we click the three dots on the upper right corner and select Desktop Site. This will lead us to a desktop view in which it is similar to our laptops and PCs. Now we go to our streaming website. It is StreamYard.com. We click the Create Broadcast button and link our YouTube channel in order for us to directly broadcast our video to our selected channel. We are now required to create our live stream title. For example, first live stream. You may or may not include your channel name, but in my case, I will include mine. From this, we can write a description below and select if we will broadcast it publicly or privately. We can also schedule our broadcast for later, and we are asked to create our thumbnail or upload our thumbnail and broadcast it to a specific day and time. So for this, I will just choose a public broadcast. And then we will click the Create Broadcast button. And it will lead us to our broadcast studio. And from this, we can mute or unmute our mic and share or not our cam. For this, I will not share my cam. Then we add our video to the stream by entering to the broadcast studio. And we see this button in this part which says you are not part of the stream yet. Click to add your audio and video. So we click that. We are now broadcasting live in our StreamYard broadcast studio. So in order for us to go to live in YouTube, we start broadcasting it by clicking the Go Live button on the upper right corner, the blue ones. And that we are now live in YouTube as well. Don't worry for the comments because it will be played in the right corner of our phone's view. Below that, StreamYard live viewer comments show up on StreamYard. This is an example. Click on a comment to show it on screen. So that's it guys. I hope you learned something today. This is Debs channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye.